What's up, guys? Corey back once again with another unboxing. So today I'm going to show you the stickers that I originally got. Some of you guys saw these on live, some of you guys did not. And as a bunch of you guys know, the logo has been changed. But once I send out the new stickers, which I'll show you in just a moment, I'll send you guys some of these out as well. These are the old logo. I got this package from Bullgear. I had it a while. I actually opened it already. For you guys familiar with the new logo, that's what it looked like, of course. And I'll be getting these things out promptly. As of right now, I'm sending these out along with all of the bodies that I promised the guys. So we're going to get those situated as well. And as soon as I get all that stuff situated, we're going to go ahead and start giving these out soon. So guys, just stay in contact with me. Make sure you're on the live with me, and that way you'll know when I'll be shipping these, which will be pretty soon. We even got more mail here, guys. So we're going to open this one. This one is from Psycho 13 Garage. Link for this will be in the description for Dirk's channel, and it'll also be a link in the description for Bullgear channel, and the way you can get in contact with him if you need some stickers made. And the stickers came out really good, really good. So this is from Dirk, Psycho 13. Nice. You guys, I'm pretty sure all you guys are pretty familiar with Psycho 13's channel. Really nice. Dirk, I really appreciate those, man. Now I got to build a scale garage so I can get some of this stuff up. And we got one more package here. We're going to use the YouTube unboxing knife from Blade City. Bam! Y'all see who that is? Psycho 13 Garage. I'm gonna put a link to his store in this channel as well. You guys make sure you go over and you check out some of his gear. Psycho 13 Garage. Keep it Psycho and RC. Make sure you check out his channel. Real cool stuff on his channel. Two more things I want to show you guys from Bullgear's order as well are the banners, and these things are like really good quality, really thick, really good quality. I'll be ordering some of these real soon. He even gave me a complimentary one for my channel. Really nice, and I'm talking about it is really tough. Can't wait to get a garage built so I can get some of this stuff up. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for checking out the video.